Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I properly shampoo and condition my wigs before putting them on my head. I always recommend that you should shampoo and condition your wigs before putting them on your head. We've all heard those ghastly stories about nits and spiders, and we don't want that to happen. So this is how you properly take care of the wig prior to installing it. All information about this wig will be shared later on. This is the pink stuff that I'll be using to clean my kitchen sink afterwards, and this is the shampoo and conditioner that I had at home and I just wanted to use it up. So I'm going in with some lukewarm water, and I'm careful not to use extremely hot or cold water because that could cause damage to the hair extensions. Now, a little tip: if you've got a red wig, you use red shampoo and conditioner. If you've got a blonde wig, you use a shampoo and conditioner that is suited for blonde hair. But in this case, I simply have a black wig, so all I'm doing is using a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. And if you notice, I'm not being rough with the hair and I'm not scrunching it up. I'm going in a downward motion. I'm being gentle. I'm taking my time. I did detangle the wig prior to shampooing, and I will detangle again towards the end. However, the best times to detangle the hair is before the shampoo and also once the hair is wet with some conditioner on top of it. For the conditioning process, I'm just going to leave that on the wig for about 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it off. The wig is 130 density and it is 10 inches. But that's all the information I'm going to share for now, and more will be shared later on. So I'm stroking the hair, I'm being very gentle, and I'm just going in a downward motion. As you can see, this helps to prevent tangles. It helps to prevent the lace as well, because the lace is quite fragile. And if you want the wig to last you for as long as possible, it's best to be gentle with the product so that your hair extensions can last you for a good 2 to 4 years. And I'm going in and making sure that it's thoroughly washed and rinsed and thoroughly detangled prior to hanging it on my clothesline outside. I try not to blow dry my wigs because I want to reduce the amount of heat so that they can last me longer. Also, once I wear the wigs, I tend to wash them once every 2 weeks, not weekly. And this is what it looks like afterwards. And you can use the same process for curly hair. Now, just for viewers' satisfaction, I'm going to show you how I clean my sink. I'm sure you all know how to clean your sink at home, and you can go ahead and use some bleach and Dettol as well if you want, but on this particular day I only used the pink stuff. And that is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.